So Cubot has released a new rugged phone called the Cubot KingKong Ace 3. This is one of the few rugged phones with a very small battery capacity. It packs just a 5100 mAh battery, and as a result of that, the device has a thickness of just 12.7 millimeters and it weighs just 284 grams, which means that it is one of the thinnest and lightest rugged phones around. Now, the battery capacity is definitely small, so if you're thinking about getting the Cubot KingKong Ace 3, you have to put that in mind. And speaking of battery and charging speed, the device supports 33 watts fast charging. Other specs includes a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 100MP primary sensor, a 5MP macro lens, and a 0.3MP auxiliary lens, while its front-facing camera is 32MP. The phone is powered by the Helio G88, paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. The internal storage can be expanded up to 1TB using a micro SD card. The phone flaunts a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 1080x2408 resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. And the device boots the stock version of Android 14. Additional features include IP68 and IP69K ratings. The device is also military-grade standard A10H certified. The phone also supports GPS, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, sensors like gyroscope, accelerometer, side fingerprint sensor are all supported. The phone also supports Face ID. And finally, it is offered in black and orange colorways. So these are the top features of the KingKong Ace 3. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.